Bonjour! Welcome back, guys. The menu of the day is Montreal Steak. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh la la. Tá bom? Tá bom. You saw me, I was grilling the steaks. So right now I have it on the oven on warm temperature so it doesn't get cold. It stay nice and juicy and fresh. Tá bom? Tá bom. So we're gonna start boiling the water for the broccoli. Tá? Remember, my cooking is for the hardworking mama and for that hardworking papa and for those boyfriends and girlfriends that wants to impress their loved ones. Chef Crispy got you. I want to say thank you to Christian's OC because he's our main sponsor. He's making this happen, and you guys have been asking for Chef's Crispy, so I took Mr. Soundscape spot. So he will be back too, but people are asking for Chef's Crispy, so here I am, and I'm cooking Montreal Steak. Why? Because it's my favorite steak, and how I make it with Montreal Steak seasoning. And I want to tell you how much I spent, because that's really important for those hardworking mamas and for those hardworking papas. So I got 4 string steaks for $32, and I got a bulk of russet potato. Was like $3.06. And I got the broccoli, crown broccoli. I got exactly like you saw it, like it was four bunch of broccoli. That only cost me $3.10. And I already had the limes. You saw that I used 4 limes. So each lime for each steak. We need to make sure we save that money, because hardworking mamas and hardworking papas, that hard work money, you need to make sure you save that money. Tá bom? Tá bom. It's been about 20 minutes I've been boiling these potatoes. So the secret is you wanna stick the fork. If it's not going through, it's not ready yet. Tá bom? Tá bom. I'm gonna check on the steak that I have it on the oven just to see. Look at this beautiful, juicy the steak is. And it smells so delicious. Tá bom? Tá bom. Because we want to make sure we keep it nice and warm, so when the family comes and is ready to eat, so it feels like it just came out of the grill. Tá bom? Tá bom. Like I was telling you early, boiling the potatoes, boiling some water for the broccoli. I had the broccoli ready, already cut. So when this water start boiling, you see like all the bubbles start going, rocking the pan. So that's the right time. Look at that beautiful green. The water is perfect. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and grab one. Don't burn yourself. That's what you want. Not overcook, just right, crunchy. Delicious. Now we can dump it. So we can go ahead and use the same pan. So you want to be efficient. You don't want to get a lot of dirty dishes. So after dumping it, now we put some olive oil. And of course, we need some salt and pepper. A little bit of pepper. If you want to shake it really well. Tá bom? Tá bom. So it's nice and mixed. A beautiful green. It's nice and crunchy. Tá? Tá bom. Let's check on the potatoes one more time. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. On the next step, we need some garlic, some butter, some heavy whipping cream. I usually do a whole spoon. Let me check one more time on the potatoes. Okay, the fork went right through it. Oh, tá bom. The potatoes are ready. Yeah. They are perfect. Tá bom. So that's how you want to see the potatoes. And be careful, it's really hot. And go ahead and start smashing. You see how it goes through? That's what you want. That's it's bubbling. Let's go ahead and put a full spoon of garlic. I like a lot of garlic. So I do like 1.5 spoon. Oh, you can do 2. Tá bom. You want the garlic a little brown. Tá bom? Tá bom. Okay, go ahead and put it on low heat. Go ahead and dump some heavy whipping cream. Okay, that's ready. So go ahead and dump it. Now we got the garlic, heavy whipping cream, black pepper, a little bit of salt, white pepper. Let's see, let's give it a try. Delicious. It's up to you. If you want a little salty, you can add more salt, but I like it in the middle. So there you have it. We had done cooking the potatoes. We had done cooking the broccoli. Now we're smashing the potatoes. We got it all smashed up. So let's get ready to show the final product. It goes with red wine. Let's give a little close up here. Montreal steak, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. CheeeeheeeeDeliciuss.